What up, everybody? This is going to be a 3-week review, 21 days on Meerkat Finance on Polygon Network. So I'm going to go to the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. And MMF token has lost a lot of value. I bought most of it at about 60 cents. And it's gone down. It's at 33 cents now, but I've been liquidity mining. So I'm going to go to this dApps browser and go to Polymm.finance. I'll leave a link to this in the description if you want to check it out. You do need a Web3 wallet. I'm using Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Whoops. Polymm.finance. So all together out of pocket, I've thrown in right about $550, and my value was up to about 750, and it's gone down. Now I'm in Polymm.finance. So there's $347 million locked into the decentralized exchange. So just in about 4 days, this went from a launch to being the #1 exchange on the Polygon network. And I'm sure there's been some whales in there moving money around because of that rate. It went up so fast. I don't know that as a fact or not, but so I'm gonna go to the earn section where I'm gonna go to the farms where I'm farming some crypto crops. And like I said, 3 weeks ago, I started putting money in. The total out of pocket has been $550. I'm at 625 right now. I did recently harvest $20, and I put that up for a limit trade. So I'm going to start trading on the side. If you hit this trade section, they do have limit orders, meaning you can set to buy and set to sell at certain prices, and automation takes over and helps you lock in some profits on trading. But I'm going to go to, so I'm farming on that Meerkat Finance token and Polygon Matic. So I'm going to click details. So I've earned $7.49 since just this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest that, and I'm gonna add this back to the pool, compounding the earnings. So compound interest has kept me above what I put in. If I would have just simply bought MMF, price, or if I just had this pool and did not compound it, I would be definitely under what I put in. But compound interest is keeping me ahead of the game, especially at this APR of 1,203%. All right. Stay tuned to the end. Remember, this is not financial advice, but stay tuned to the end, and I'll show you exactly how much I'm making per day right now with my value and the rate and the prices of the tokens. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this right now, and I'm gonna compound that back into there. So the next time around, I'll be earning more. And the Polygon network is really cheap. It makes it so if you just have a few $100s, you can have more compounding cycles with less fees. All right, so that's harvested, and my MMF rewards have been sent to my wallet. And this started over. Now I'm going to go to trade and just keep chunking it back in. So I need to go to exchange and create the liquidity tokens. So yeah, if any of y'all are new here, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. And what I do here is I just go over ways that I'm making money online, mostly in cryptocurrency. And I'm on a mad Meerkat kick right now, but later on we're going to do a lot of other things. So I'm going to trade half of that MMF into Matic, and I'm going to swap that now. And then after that, I'll create the liquidity tokens to provide liquidity to the exchange and rake in a portion of the fees that all traders pay when they do a transaction between these two tokens. So now I'm going to go to trade again and go to liquidity. Whoops. I'm going to go to liquidity this time to create the pool tokens. I'm going to select add liquidity, and I'm going to select MMF on one side, Matic on the other side, and select maximum. So it automatically fills in the equal value parts on the other token. So I have 4.45 I'm putting in, and I have some left over. As you see, my balance is over that. So you want to make sure you have enough balance left over for your fees. And I'm going to click supply and confirm this. Transaction receipt. Now I'm going to go to earn, and then the farm section, and stake these pool tokens now back into the farm, reinvesting my earnings back into where it's earning more. So this earns a lot of pretty good money live. It's only been a few minutes. I've earned 4 cents, a couple minutes. So I'm gonna hit this plus now. Oh, my value went up to 638. So the prices always move around. I'm just gonna take it easy and just keep reinvesting my profits. And I'll keep us all updated on the progress of this. This APR rate won't stay this high forever. It'll eventually go down and down. They all do on all these decentralized exchanges. They pay a hot APR at first, and if you're lucky, the rate of return will cancel out any value loss. Okay, I'm back. I got interrupted, so I cut away for exactly 1 hour. If you just rewind the video just a little bit, you'll see that the time has jumped from 5:40 to 6:40. So we're gonna go see how much I earned in 1 hour, and I decided to calculate daily income this way. So I'm gonna go to crypto.com DeFi wallet and go back to my Poly MMF farms. Browser, Poly MMfinance farms. So I just barely took my earnings and compounded them, and we'll see how much we made in exactly 1 hour. So it looks like 86 cents. So in that hour, the value of this token did actually go up to 35 cents. So how much I earn and the value goes up and down. But as long as I'm earning and just dumping it back in, compounding it, it's gonna go up. So I'm 55. Now let's see. I put in 550, so I'm $105 in profit. So as long as it's showing in profit, it's good. So I'm gonna keep doing this, and don't forget to hit that like, and I'm out of here. See you next time. Thanks. Sorry, one more thing real quick. So I forgot to do this. So I earned I earned 86 cents in 1 hour. So 86 times 24 hours in a day would be $20.64 per day income right now from this MMF Matic LP pool. That'll be all. Later.